Here we go with a Let's Go virtual store. So we have this item right here that's for selling, also for the raffle. This is brand new in the box, made by IKEA. We'll go ahead and just open it up so that way y'all can see what it looks like. So this box says 14-inch, 35 centimeters. With all the parts that's included, your instructions, the hardware, everything. You do have to build this together. We already did a video on the rose gold one, so if y'all want it, give us a call, 682-239-1470. Remember, I am the plug, you are the man with Let's Go TV. Don't forget about everything that we have that's for sale on our YouTube channel, plus the social media platforms at LEXGO space TV. Suffer pain now, enjoy relaxation later. Well, let's go.